You know, Prayagraj is of course an urban district, so of course you know there is of course low voter turnout. Till 9 a.m. it was around 9.5% in Allahabad and around 7.5% in the Phulpur Lok Sabha constituency. There are two Lok Sabha constituencies under the Prayagraj district. But what I see here is that now people have actually started coming, and there are a lot of senior citizens who are coming out and exercising their right and casting their vote. I would like to, you can see of course see the line over here, and you can see over there. So people have actually started coming out. The voter turnout seems to get better, but I would like to speak to some of the people here to try to understand what are the issues. एक तो सबसे पहले मैंने आप जब आ रही थी आपने कहा I don't want to break the rule, I want to stand in queue. How important do you think it is to vote? Because I don't see a lot of youngsters coming here.
No, they will come. They will definitely come.
Okay.
But youngsters are youngsters now. They think that first our priority is to do our things and then move out of the house.
Any message you would like to give to youngsters that why it is important to vote?
Yes, if they want good governance, if they want things to be in the right place, then I think they should vote. And it is a democratic country. Our country is a democratic country. We have the right. We should, I must say, we should exercise our right and vote for the right person, not being prejudiced by hierarchy or anything else, but by the government, whatever we see, whatever we feel is good in a person. See, no one can be 100% good, but if a person is 75 to 80% good and has 20% weak points, yeah.
One last thing. You are voting. What are your issues of voting this time? Are there local issues or there are national level issues while voting?
See, grudges never end. You give me 50 rupees, I will say, oh my God, you should have given me 75 rupees. When you give me 75 rupees, I'll say, no, you should have given me 101 rupees. So grudges never end. I don't have any grudge. Well, there are shortcomings, there are things. But whoever is doing the right thing, one should vote for that person.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.